Good evening, friends. Again, we are here to hear from Basavaraj sir. We all know that he is a special person who is starting all the sessions with stereo state of mind. So we will get so many new things from his class, new ideas, new tips, new protocols, everything. Today also, we will get more tips, more knowledge from him. We all can invite him to this platform. Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. Now you can start the session, sir. Thank you for your presence, sir. Thank you.
Namaskaram. So good evening, all. So we can start the session with your questions. If you have anyone has questions related 5 elements and acupuncture is welcome. So today, keep on answering your questions so that you get into the subject in that way. Hello.
Dear friends, make sure that your questions are based on the subject, not on your problems. Okay, thank you.
Fine. So acupressure, what we are doing in daily our lives. Definitely in today's generation, maximum people not awareing about this. It's maybe the level of capitalism, the business people are doing in modern medicine. It's a much more efficient. Maybe we need so much of help of medicines in emergency situation. But as I seen in my 15 years of experience, it is not helping you to enhance your health, to enhance your mind. Not much effectively, because many of you may take many medicines to control something. It's not to cure. Just to get relief from the medicines. So we are into the so many adverse effect of the medicines. But if we learn this acupressure technique, definitely all of us can be away with medicines and we can solve our even acute and chronic illness within short period of time. So first thing is you should believe your body is not running with chemicals. It is running with energy. So that is the main paradigm is changed in last 50 years. Our grandfathers are believing that our body is running with Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Panchamahabhutas, Saptadhatus. But we believe that our body is running with chemicals. So that's where we are inclined towards the medicines and believing that and containing that. Of course, no doubt the modern science is helping the society to the great extent in the emergency situations, in surgical issues. So we appreciate that. We will take that help of modern science whenever you get surgical issues and whenever you get emergency things. But will be a very rare. You should learn. You should learn how to heal yourself with acute and chronic diseases. It is very much essential because a simple breathlessness or wheezing, many people are suffering and taking medicines decades together. If anybody asks how many years you're taking Astlin, means I'm taking since 20 years. I'm not telling you to stop it, but I'm just here to inform you there is a way. There is a way for you. Keep inhaler with you, but don't use it. In emergency situation, nothing is working, you can use. So a little bit about me, many of my students, they are treating such a way that their patients not using any inhalers. And it is possible. Even for kids of 2, 3, 5 years, 10 years, we're giving inhalers. No doubt, inhalers are giving a immediate relief to the great extent. And I'm telling you, it is required. Keep it in your bag, keep it in your pocket. But if you learn this technique, you never use that. How? We strongly believe that the entire lungs is working with chi or pranavayu. So when you get breathing difficulty, lung chi is deficient. Lung chi is deficient. What is chi? It is the force behind the working of that lungs. What is the energy of lungs? The energy of lungs is dryness. It's a dryness energy. So lungs should be like the weather around you. How you feel if too much moist, and too much foggy, and too much of snow? It's not good, you know. If just imagine the whole year like December, January. You know, so many accidents in North India just because of that fog. It's not clear and completely surrounded with the fog. Similarly, your lungs is always wants to be a dry. Dry means the weather in October and November. How is the weather in the October and November? It's almost the rain is stopping and it's very clear sky. Not much clouds, no fog at all. Fog is not yet started. And the entire sky is clear and moistened because June, July, August, September, 4, 5 months rain is moistened the atmosphere. See how your lungs should be means I will explain you such a way that your lungs should be like autumn season. With respect to India, I can say that. So how is the weather in the month of November, October and November? It is not foggy, it is not cloudy, and is not too dry like summer. It is not too cloudy like rainy season. If you are able to maintain that, you never visit pulmonologist, a lungs specialist, and no need of inhalers, no need of any other medicines which you take for lungs. Then how to maintain this? Is it possible to maintain without drugs? If you go and ask any the sufferer of breathing, they'll tell, I tried all, nothing is working. I tried homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda. Any of you tried like that? So finally, the inhaler is only giving relief to me. Many are telling that. But there is a way. Way is if you are able to understand the 5 energies in the nature, if you adopt those things, definitely you can cure your lung disorders without any medicines. Especially below 10, 12 years of kids. They're the main victim here. And second, the people, they're staying in center of the city with heavy pollution. You ask them, most of the people tell I have dust allergy. Dust allergy become common. What do you do? Sir, I take cetirizine. Will you cure this symptoms? Gives relief. Take. You take symptoms cetirizine till I say my techniques works. The moment my technique works, you can stop that. The first thing, overall suffering with disorders of breathing, wheezing related kind of things. First, yourself you categorize whether you belongs to the pitta or kapha. Are you belonging to, your body is belonging to heat nature or cold nature? Which one is triggering you? If you just spend 2 minutes with the patients, you come to know that. For example, dust allergy. You ask next question. When you feel the allergy, they will tell there is a cloudy weather. If it is a cloudy weather, or if there is a dust on the way of passing, that means your lungs and nasal passage is already having cold. It's filled with cold. When it is already filled with cold, if dust fall on the watery surface, what happens? You immediately sneeze. If lung is not watery, it's not dry, it's just moistened, nothing will happen. If lung is already filled with coldness, even though you are sitting in home, if outside there is a rain or cloudy weather, obviously that damp cold, the humid cold is attacking the lungs. The sneezing starts here. Then what do you do? Immediately you take one puff. This is the one pattern. The other pattern is many people are suffering when they got into stress. The stress is a heat. Either maybe you may get that heat due to stress or due to traveling, due to spices, or due to any allergy kind of things. If your lungs is already excess of dry, upon that you are generating the heat. What happens? If your lung is dry, upon that there is a stress, or you're taking the food which creating excess of heat, or you may do a traveling oftenly. When heat enters the lungs, which is already dry, so that creates much more dryness. When your bronchioles become dry, they're unable to contract and release. This nature is required expansion and compression to receive the oxygen and send the carbon dioxide out. So in the both the cases, if lung is too cold or too heat, it won't function well. In both cases, you end up with breathlessness. Many people, they feel breathlessness when they are into anxiety, when they are into stress. The reason is the first organ which affects with your emotions, even with the environment, is lungs only. It's just like a gateway. All other organs affects later. Even a small variation in the environment and small variation in the food and the small variation in the emotions, all are affecting your lungs so quickly. And many people are telling you have to improve the immunity. What is immunity? It's a maintaining balance between pitta and kapha, yin and yang. How to do this? It's very simple. Our traditional Chinese medicine is clearly told that if you want to enhance your lungs, just give the food which is spice in nature and white or gray in color. To all sufferers of breathing, just give a radish or raw onion oftenly. And you can also give the moringa seeds. This is very simple. If you open it, inside you will feel a cold one, a white one. So this is also is enhancing your lungs chi. You can just have in the mouth for 15-20 minutes. You can feel the taste of bitter, sweet, and spice. And you can also give the food which is in pungent in taste, like that onion, radish, which is other white color, garlic. You don't need to eat oftenly if you don't want to eat. Just crunch it, and this is your lung reflex. While before sleeping, just paste it here. Two pieces of garlic. And you can keep it for 3 to 6 hours. Slowly, your lungs become warm and it will gain the chi. Again, one thing you remember, the mother of lungs is spleen and stomach in creation cycle. If you do diet, lung won't enhance. Because if you give proper food, you have to eat more and more and more. That food is strengthening your stomach and spleen. The energy comes from stomach and spleen to the lungs. Many people are doing diet. Obviously, your digestion system becomes weak and lungs become weak. The main reason behind suffering of many kids due to cold, cough, wheezing, it's not their lungs are weak. because their digestion is weak. We don't know what food we should give to our kids. There's a major drawback. Even you just make sure that, especially below 10-year kids, your food should be a non-GMO, not genetically modified. It should not be hybrid. Many countries, they're taking as a revolution to avoid hybrid food. Maybe we may get that revolution in near future. Because yesterday, one of my student came from Turkey, and they given some dry fruit, and that they given a logo. It's a non-GMO food. And for more information, visit this website, the given scanner and all. So many countries, they're taking it as a revolution. Of course, those countries having population of not even 5 crores, they can make any revolution. But population of 140 crores, we can't expect each and all activities from the government. Instead of that, we should take changes ourselves, and should make a strong decision that we are not giving any hybrid food to our kids. Why? All hybrid food doesn't have taste, odor, and color. It means it doesn't have energy. If you give that food, simply your body energy is wasting to digest that. Even after digesting so much of food which you are taking, you end up with a small energy you are getting from out of it. So without making that change, don't expect any miraculous changes in the acupuncture, acupressure, Ayurveda and all. We are wondered, no? Just 50, 100 years back, there is no English medicine in the India. How our ancestors are lived healthy life. And today we are telling, nowadays, for this generation, 21st century, acupressure and Ayurveda won't work. Do you know acupressure, Chinese and Indian, what we call Ayurveda, is the only medicines since 2000 years. Since 2000 years of history, you go and dig any data, any historical data you are getting. There is no word of doctors. It's a word of healers. How can you say the medical system which is existed for 2000 years and it won't work? It comes all, see, when I say 5 elements and Tridosha, all the system it works on based on the 5 elements is a ancient medical system only. Like Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Yoga, Qigong, Tai Chi, Chinese medicine, even so many natural healing techniques. And we are not practicing it. Why? The claim is very simple. You just ask any mother, why you are giving Ayurvedic medicine to your kid? She's telling, no, 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 no. For my kid, no antibiotic, no Ayurvedic and homeopathy medicine will work. Then what will work? Only antibiotics. See, this is the word I'm hearing from the parents. Why your kid is not responsive to the herbal medicines or acupressure? Because acupressure, herbal medicine, marma chikitsa, auricular therapy, all these medical system which we are using since so many years, since more than 2000 years, this is not generating any energy in the body. Instead of that, it is just managing the energy, transforming one energy into other energy. For example, if you have lung coldness, the moment you apply a two garlic paste here, your lung cold converts into lung heat. Or lung heat can be converted into humidity. Or it can be converted into dryness or heat or wind. With these system of medicines, you can transform your energy from one to other. For example, you have excess of gastritis. That means the stomach is dry. Am I right? If you are suffering with gastritis, your stomach is dry. What food you should give? You should give a food which moistens your stomach. It should be moisten your stomach. But what you are giving? You are giving refined oil, refined atta, refined rice, all refined one. It doesn't have any moisture. You are removing it there. In the process of polishing, refining, the content of moisture in the oil, which is creating moisture, the fat, you are removing it. In the rice, which is creating moisture, the oily layer around it, you are removing it. And you are expecting, I should not get gastritis. So today, so many people, they're complaining that this is not working. It's not because the system is wrong. This system is wonderful. Because of it is wonderful, it is working since 2000 years. For example, if any movie is not good, can you see after 1 month in any theater? No. Because always people are intelligent. They won't watch. Similarly, if any medical system is not working, it will disappear within short period of time. We are hearing about marma chikitsa, acupressure, acupuncture, even after 2000 years means it has something to do. It is working. Many times we are experimenting in the clinic when mother and child comes for treatment. With the 2-3 sittings, so mother is responding. I am feeling good, I am fine now. But for kid, it taking more time. Why? Their chi is deficient. Overall, having chi deficiency or yang deficiency, indeficiency, for them, this will take little time to build energy. I'm not telling it won't work. It will work, but it takes little time. With patience, with logics, with research mind, we should work on it. So whom are having lung issues, just you can work in this area. Definitely, you can clear all lung issues with just 3 colors. Red, sky blue, and green. If you want to moisten your lungs, just apply a green color in the lungs. If you feel it's too much cold, accumulated, and you're feeling the sound, then you can apply red. Or if your lungs is sensitive to the coldness, there is no kapha. If you have a kapha to remove, you are putting red. If you have dryness, then you are putting green. If your lungs are sensitive to the cold, then you can apply sky blue. Just along the lungs. Within these three colors, either one color or two color works for you. How to do? Just start with any one color. Apply for 2 days and observe yourself. Just observe yourself, how it works. If you are feeling positive changes, you can continue that color for another 3-4 weeks. If you know changes, you can change to other color. Of course, this is also gives some relief, but systematically to strengthen your lungs, you have to enhance your digestion system and completely avoid hybrid food so that you can enhance your chi energy, because the lung chi, it is created with the help of air and food. How the lung chi is created in the body, in your lungs? How chi creates? With breath, with food. No other data input. So what is your breathing? Is completely polluted air. What you are eating? Completely hybrid food. And you are expecting I should be like a Bahubali. No, it won't work. Just change the input. Just breathe. Go out some parks. Spend some time. And make sure that your breathing is fresh and not too much of dry, polluted airs. Because in the city, the dryness created with the vehicle pollution only. So try to avoid that automatically. If your input is good, no medicine is required for you. What is your input for lungs? Food and breathe. So both you can get without visiting any clinics. Am I correct? And take seasonal food. So definitely lungs will energizes. And just add little spices to your food. Along with that, some white color foods. So many of you are taking onion by cooking. Simply it raises your pitta. Instead of that, take onion raw. It enhances your lungs. It moistens your lungs. Okay. So I hope you can do this in your practice, because finally any medicine or anything, it simply gives relief. Even acupressure also gives if you don't have energy. When you press this, you feel better. After 2 days, again you feel sick. If you don't want to feel sick, just you have to change the two raw materials, food and breathe. Okay. Whenever you feel fresh air, just relax there. Just do a deep, relaxed breathing. Don't do it any forcefully. It's not required. Your body at any given point of time, it is not taking anything with force. Many people, they are not liking food, even though they are forcefully eating due to they're thinking that it is nutritious or good for health. Don't do that, because I know we don't have intelligence, but our body has intelligence. Yes, it has wonderful intelligence within. It is enjoying food. It is enjoying breath. It is enjoying the vision. It is enjoying everything. When it is enjoying that, how can you make it forceful? Even breathing also. You should give it a little space to the body and sit comfortably, even in the nature, in the park. Don't do it any forceful techniques like this. Not required. That may be a therapy. That you can do it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay. So don't do it anything forcibly. If you're doing forcibly, that will become a therapy. That will become a treatment. You cannot be in treatment 24/7. Okay. Instead of that, when you want to strengthen your lungs, sit relaxful. Just breathe according to the nature. I just go to my farmland, sitting 2 hours and coming back. I know that it strengthens my lungs. No need to do anything. Why? So when I am in front of laptop, in front of watching any movies, or when I am interacting with any people, or when I am talking in the phone, or when I am planning, when I am thinking, definitely your breathing pattern is not smooth and relaxed. It's keep on varying based on your emotions. Mm. Oh, it is holding, stucking. So lungs is not asking anything. Then what it is asking? Be in Vipassana. All of you know that Vipassana. You just type it in the Google, you get to know that. What is Vipassana means? Doing nothing. So when you are in nothing state, means just go there in the park or any greenery areas and go to the terrace. Just sit half an hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, or just go a long walk and come back. That is the medicine for your lungs. Lungs is not expecting anything from you. Relax, comfortable breathing. That is like a charging your battery. But unfortunately, except we sleep, most of the times you're holding the breathing with our emotions, with our stress, tension, and too much of fear and anxiety, uncertainties about the life. Your breathing holds. So that's what, because lungs sit at the center. Without, if it is not creating the chi, no other organ will work. So my suggestion is take some white and spicy foods, not daily, here and there, and daily keep at least for half an hour or 1 hour for your lungs. If you go to sunlight, your heart is happy, your liver is happy. If you sleep, your kidney is happy. If you eat, your digestion, spleen and stomach is happy. Okay? How to make lungs happy? Doing nothing, relax, quiet, relaxed state, and doing that breathe. That is a recharge for your lungs. Try that. Within a 1 week, you can see so much of changes in your body, in your skin. Within 1 week, doing this and nothingness for 1 hour, your skin will start glow. Because what lung creates moisture and chi. It gives to the skin. No pimples, no wrinkles, no dryness. You can enjoy that. Onion increases lung cold. It moistens the lungs. If you eat onion by boiling or cooking, then it creates the pitta. It becomes heat. So that's what. Don't cook oil much, that onion much. Adding this much to every curry, no? Now onwards you make it this much. Another this much of onion, you take it in the raw format. In my side in North Karnataka, many of eating style is especially in the lunch. We keep a raw onion aside along with food. That's for your lungs. So I hope you can enhance your lungs with food, with relaxation, with proper breathing. If you have any questions related to lungs is welcome because it's a powerhouse. If your any power plant is not creating electricity, how is the city? No power. Similarly, in your body, the powerhouse is lungs. It is taking the air and food and creating the pranavayu. Okay. So at least you keep, if you are very busy schedule, keep it 20 minutes. 20 minutes. If nearby park is there, you go or go to the terrace, or if you are in the village area, go to the farmland nearby. Don't carry mobiles. Just get a small walk. That's it. Your lungs is recharged. Okay. Yes, Purnima, any question?
So one of my friends, she is having so much of cough every time, lot of phlegm keeps coming out. And
Hmm.
due to regular for last so many days, means rather months, she's taking so many medicines, homeopathy and everything to reduce the expectoration, that is throwing out of cough. And with that, she's feeling lot of weakness also. So how can we
Kapha is
reduce this formation?
very simple. Kapha is created
Red color, can we tell her to apply, sir?
wonderfully. Red color, it eliminates throughout the your stuff. But
But hmm,
one thing, it is red color is clearing the
lungs,
kapha,
kapha.
phlegm. If you clear again, tomorrow new kapha will come, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So how to stop that?
To
Should we put
stop,
yellow?
no, no. To stop that, you have to strengthen the digestion system. Just apply
Sir,
sky blue color on the stomach reflex.
sky blue. Right, sir.
Or you can write number 3 on the palm.
Okay.
Okay.
She's diabetic and she feels very weak every time and then, like she's
This
suffering.
works for kapha, phlegm
Hmm.
accumulation as well for to reduce the blood sugar. Okay.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, number
Thank
3
you
in
so much,
sky
sir.
blue color, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam?
Number 3 in sky blue color.
Yeah, number 3 in sky
Okay,
blue.
okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Dharmesh ji, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My father, 87. I have been doing Nadiswara regularly, so it's okay now. But last winter also he had water in his lungs, and
Hmm.
this winter he got infection.
Okay. Due to
So
water
actually, yeah, this year it is just film kapha in his lungs. This time no water accumulation.
Okay.
But he's having infection. He still I mean there is a sound, wheezing sound, like
Yeah. This is right hand small finger in the kapha joint.
Yes.
One round you apply yellow.
Okay, sir.
Above that, you just apply sky blue ring.
Okay, sir.
Yellow and sky blue. You continue that, it removes the water and it keeps warm.
Sky blue completely one band, and the yellow it's a ring.
Yeah. First one yellow, after
Ring.
above that, yeah, sky blue.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, fluid accumulation may be because of the weakness of the heart, no?
No,
Fluid accumulation.
maybe it's a yang deficiency. It's due to kidney coldness.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, whatever lungs is accumulated with fluids or any stagnation, it has to pass it to the sun. The water accumulation, phlegm accumulation, or in stagnation, it has to pass to the next element. Who is the next element after lungs? Kidney. If kidney is cold and blocked, and there is no pathway to the lungs to send its excess water, the moment you strengthen your kidney, lungs become normal. Okay. So that's
Okay, sir.
what I'm
Thank you.
using a yellow color. Yellow is the one which makes kidney warm. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, what can I do for leukemia, blood cancer?
See, blood cancer, you have to touch that zero. There is no particular formula protocols. So anything which creates with shunya. Okay. Tell the patient to just to do zero state meditation, which we uploaded in our Basvacu Academy YouTube channel. It just 5 to 7 minutes in a day. Once or twice they can do zero state meditation. Along with that, they can just write number 0 in black color here. Anywhere in the palm, just write 0. So the moment you write 0 and doing that zero state meditation, which it increases your regrowth of the cells in the body. When your healthy cells regrows, automatically that malignant cells will go down. Okay. What is cancer? You are unable to create a new healthy cells. Because of that, the cancerous cells are rising up. So any creation, it happens with shunya. Shunya says srushti. Okay. Try with 0. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, madam.
Sir, me too having a kapha problem, sir. Yellow type kapha, sir. If when as soon as I eat food or something, immediately kapha starts, sir.
Sir,
It is
after
irritating.
eating food, you are feeling phlegm means it is not problem of lungs, it's the problem of spleen.
Spleen.
The
Before
spleen
also it would be there, sir. All time somewhat stucking in my throat. I feel, sir.
spleen is very big. It's creating phlegm. Just you write by taking sky blue color, write number 5 on your palm. Number 5 in sky blue color.
Fine.
Yeah, just for 3 to 4 days or within a week, you will come out of that problem.
Sir, other than problem, sir, hands and legs are sweating heavily, sir.
Number 5 yellow only.
Okay,
Number
sir.
5 sky blue.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you. So soon we will give you that color numerology.
Hmm.
For every problem, no need to do anything. Just write one number in particular color. I will assure you the good changes within 3 days, which is much effective than even points and other things, and which you are seeing the results in every day. Okay, fine.
Sir, one of my friend,
Hmm.
yeah, she has lot of cough, and while speaking with anyone, she is unable to breathe properly.
Yeah.
Every 1 minute, she is getting cough and unable to sleep also, sir, from the last 1 month.
See, anybody getting cough while talking, it's the art chi deficiency. Their art is weak. So
Huh.
they press this art reflex and liver reflex 20 to 30 times daily for 1 week.
Heart and liver.
Heart and liver, that's it. Next week, no cough while talking.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll try this. Thank you, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a nostril congestion problem,
Hmm.
especially to my right side nose. Frequently, it is getting blocked, and my body is a heat body.
How you say heat body?
How can I say you are asking?
Yeah, how can you say heat body?
So my palms are always very hot whenever other people are when I touch other people. So they are telling that your body is very heat, and also when I go to any cold places like snow places, when I went to Kashmir also, I don't have any nostril blockage problem. Especially in summers, I'm having this nostril blockage problem.
Then you do one thing. On the lung reflex, just apply 2 lines of green color. That's
Green
it.
color.
It
And
will
also I'm having
cools your lungs.
any food, sir? Any food do you suggest?
Take
It's
raw
white
onion and radish juice weekly twice.
radish in a juice form and raw onion.
Yes.
Okay. And also I'm having tremors, sir, essential tremors.
Yeah, when you moisturize your lungs, your all upper body gets stability, no?
Oh.
Even if you have neck pain and shoulder, that will
Hmm.
stop.
Yes, sir. I'm having here the pain.
It will clear with that only.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bulbul, this is your turn.
Sir,
Namaskara.
sir, if water goes to lungs while in a unconscious patient or somebody when they are eating or anything drinking, can sky blue color work for them?
Once again, repeat your question.
Sir, if water or something goes to lungs.
Okay, something going, you have to reverse that.
Yes, sir.
Just apply one pink line here, left hand middle finger here.
Sir.
Okay, so this is to reverse the direction immediately. Or you can write number 7 in pink color.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, one question.
Yeah,
Sir, a patient who is unconscious, that give water, it goes to lungs and he have infection. Now he is in ICU. The color works pink color or?
it works. First, if you have anybody suddenly unconscious, just press GB24 and also press gallbladder 41. It's in the leg, GB41. Okay, if anybody is breathless and unconscious, immediately that will give you the wind force to become conscious and wake up. Okay. So thank you very much. See you again in next week. And we'll discuss much more things which is required for our healthy life without drugs.
So I would like to know more about the heart and brain function, how we can use these colors for the heart and brain function, because so many are suffering with the stroke and something. Maybe it is a continuation of the COVID attack. We don't know about what is the reason exactly. So we all are waiting to hear from you, sir. Maybe
Sure,
in the
madam.
next class also it's okay for us.
Next
Thank
class
you so
I will
much.
cover heart and
Yeah.
this one brain.
Thank
Okay?
you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the participants. With this, we can wind up the session for the day, and we will come to the next session on time to hear more from Dr. Basarai, sir. Now we know that how this zero state of mind is working more powerfully, especially from Basarai, sir. Thank you all. Good night. See you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're such a humble personality.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.